Hello and welcome to HWM Sportscars. Today I'm going to be walking you around this lovely Mercedes S-Class. This is the S560, so it's the 4-litre BiTurbo V8, which pushes 467 brake horsepower, so plenty of grunt when needed. It is a 18 reg, and it is the AMG line Premium, so it has a great spec as well. This is a one owner from new vehicle and comes with a full Mercedes service history, which I will run you through shortly. But let's have a wander around the car and get an idea on the spec. So starting at the front of the car, it does have the Mercedes LED intelligent lighting system, which is very good at night. It does also have LED day running lights, and it does have the 360 cameras as well. So 360 cameras, you've got them in the wing mirrors, and camera at the front and at the rear, as well as front and rear parking sensors. Moving into the alloys, they are the diamond cut 19-inch 5 twin spoke wheels, and you've got the silver brake calipers there as well. Condition wise, no sign of any kind of car parking dents anywhere. Few minor stone chips around the front end of the car, but completely in keeping with the mileage and not excessive at all. Again, down this side, all looking very good. No dings or car park dents or scuffs. Tyres are the Michelin Pilot Sports, which have a good amount of tread all round on them as well. Anything below 3mm would be replaced as part of our preparation. You do have the sunroof just there as well. Moving to the inside, it has the full black Napa leather. The seats have the memory function for the driver and passenger, and you do have the massage function in these seats, and they are also heated and ventilated in the front. It does also have the dynamic seat, so as you go around the corner, you can turn this on and off, but as you go around the corner, it will pump up the bolster to keep you secure in the seat, which is quite a nice feature. Some people like it, some people don't. It's definitely something to give a go. We can also see in here, you've got a driving mode selector, as well as the height adjustment for the car, so you can raise the height of the car if you were going over any particularly large speed bumps. And with the infotainment system, it does have satellite navigation, all your Bluetooth connection and music streaming, and also your Apple CarPlay if you need it. It does also have the air scarf. You can also see it's got the Mr. high-end audio. And in the back you've got 2 seats, and the seats do have ISOFIX points in them if needed. They look in brilliant condition. Okay, so going around to the driver's side, we do have illuminated sill plates on this car as well. One thing it does have as well that you can't see, it's got ambient lighting in the cabin, and you have 64 different colours that you can configure and play around with. A nice way to personalise the interior. And the wood finish on the door cards also is on the steering wheel and in the centre as well. The interior has been really well looked after. Okay, so we'll move round to the back of the car and the boot. So the boot can be opened and closed at the push of a button. And here we have the service history as well as the V5. As you can see, no previous owner, so it's a one owner from new. And we've got the most recent service just there. Tells you what was replaced at what mileage, and that it was February this year. Vehicle details there. So the next service isn't due till February next year, or at 38,700 miles. And these are previous services that have been done on the car. So it's been serviced every year by Mercedes. It's a good sized boot as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any other questions at all, you can call us on 01932 240 611. You can also reserve this car on our website with a £99 deposit, and our website is hwm.co.uk. Thank you for watching.